Good Friday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting once again with meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, some showers out there first thing this morning.
Yeah, Joe, we had some early morning activity. That first batch of it moved up in the southwestern Nebraska areas along the Kansas-Nebraska border. That activity is now moving to the east of McCook and Cambridge. And then we got another batch of stronger storms that have now developed to the south and west of Brewster, all the way down through Sharon Springs, the Wallace area to Leota and Scott City. And this batch is moving to the northeast at around 25, 30 miles per hour. It will continue to take that track south and east of a line from Brewster to Oberlin through mid to late morning before it again clears the area. And the rest of the day will be in a break in precipitation until a strong low pressure moves out of Colorado late this afternoon and evening. With that second activity round, we expect showers and storms to develop out in Colorado around 4 to 7 p.m. and then work their way across in southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas in two clusters. One will move through the southwestern Nebraska areas to the north and east, and another one will move through northwestern Kansas and kind of take a more eastward track. These storms do have the potential, while they're out in Colorado, develop into supercells and have the potential for large hail damaging winds and maybe even a few tornadoes during that time of the day. And then when it works into Kansas, it'll be more of two clusters of storms with those mesoscale complexes like we saw last weekend, where you could have the heavy rainfall, the large hail, and the microbursts or wind gusts out there 70, maybe even upwards to 90 miles an hour. So we will have that severe weather threat across the area this evening. Could see locally 1, 2, maybe 3 inches of rainfall with the slow-moving storms, and that would create some localized flooding. As far as temperatures go today, we're starting out around 64 in Colby and Goodland, 62 out in Burlington, 66 in Norton, 70 Hill City, 67 McCook. We got a northeasterly breeze at around 10 miles per hour. Highs will top out in the middle to upper 80s, so it'll be cooler than what we saw the last couple days, where we've seen triple-digit readings. Tonight's lows will drop to around 64, and then tomorrow we'll see a warm-up back into the lower 90s. And that'll be coming with another round of shower and storms, mainly east of a line from Norton to Leota. So we could see more severe weather again tomorrow. And then as we head into Father's Day, we'll see temperatures climb up there into the upper 90s, hitting maybe triple digits, again with breezy southwesterly winds developing in the afternoon. That's due to a lee side low pressure that will continue to the windy conditions on Monday, and the temperatures again in the upper 90s. When that low decides to kick out, along with the trough from the northwest moving through the northern plains, we'll have a cold front that'll go through Tuesday evening. That'll have a line of shower and storm activity on it. Could be another round of severe weather. And that'll be followed by cooler temperatures for Wednesday, Thursday. We may only be in the upper 70s, lower 80s, back into the middle 80s on Friday, and heading back towards 90 over the weekend. But that entire end of that 8 to 14-day period, Wednesday into the weekend, we'll see diurnal flow and westerly flow develop to the west. Showers and thunderstorms will come back into the forecast late in the afternoon and evenings, and we'll continue the chances for more rain and potential severe weather as we head into the latter parts of June.
Once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.